Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Dan, as the channel name might suggest. Some of you may know me from our other channel. I've got a YouTube channel with my wife, Dan and Abby. Last year we took a 2017 Volkswagen Crafter and turned it from an empty panel van into our home on wheels. Idea being, sell the house, leave our jobs and go travelling in it for a couple of years. That all happened, we completed on our house sale the week before lockdown happened, so we lived in our van for 1 week before lockdown happened and we weren't allowed to go anywhere. We've now spent 7 weeks sat in the van with nothing to do, and boredom really did set in. I couldn't take any more, hence the new channel and the new project. So hopefully this series is going to document the transformation of this unloved builder's van into something much cooler and much nicer looking. The plan with the van so far, we're going to put it on some budget coilovers and see how low we can get it on those. Nice set of wheels on it, probably going to go steels. We're going to keep the commercial look, so we're going to keep the black bumpers, although they're great. We will be dyeing those to try and get them a bit darker. We will be painting the van. Now the painting it's not going to be a proper paint job in a spray booth, it's going to be graffiti paint. I have used it before and it works amazing. You can get a good finish as well if you sand it back with some wet and dry. So we're going to give that one a go on this one. Inside we'll be doing sound deadening, insulation, ply line, carpeting, the usual stuff. The cab, we're going to have to sort the seats out because there's a bit of a hole in one of them. We'll be fitting seat covers to the front, and then we might even be trimming some parts of the cab as well. The headliner is sagging, so we're going to have to try and do something with that. Thanks for watching this then as a bit of an intro into the channel and hopefully what's going to be coming up in transforming this. If you like what you've seen so far, please give us a like, subscribe, share it with your mates. If they've got nothing to do and they're sat there, tell them to come and watch us and see the transformation of this van. Hopefully we'll get the first episode uploaded pretty soon. Thanks for watching.